Now, I'm going to talk about something beautiful and functional, the terrarium. A terrarium is a transparent container usually made of glass that is used to grow and display plants in controlled miniature ecosystem. Depending on the type of plants and the environment we want to create, it can be either open or closed. Inside the terrarium, we usually arrange layers of soil, rocks, and carefully selected plants to mimic a natural habitat. It's not only used for decoration in homes and offices, but also serves educational and scientific purposes. Terrariums are often used in classrooms to teach about ecosystem and plants. They also help improve air quality and humidity in indoor spaces. They're compact and Now we're going to talk about the uses of terrarium. First, terrarium are widely used for decoration purposes. They add aesthetically to home, office, and indoor spaces. Because they are easy to maintain, terrariums makes a great choice for a low-maintenance indoor plant display. They also offer a chance for creative expression, as we can design and arrange the plants and the containers in many artistic ways. Terrarium also bring environmental benefits. They can improve air quality by filtering toxins and releasing oxygen. Additionally, they help maintain indoor humidity levels, which is especially helpful in dry environment. Terrarium are also a great model of closed-loop ecosystem, where natural cycles like water and air are self-contained and reused within the system. Third, in science and research, terrarium are used in experiments related to plant growth, microclimates, and ecological balance. They are also useful for testing different soil types, observing how humidity affects plant life, and analyzing the impact of light exposure. The last one, interestingly, terrarium also have a connection to industrial ecology. They serve as a metaphor or model for how industry can operate like ecosystems. For example, terrarium represent closed-loop system where waste is minimized and resource are reused, just like how water and air cycle inside the container. They also represent sustainable design, showing how small, self-contained system and function without external input. This inspires us to think about how the industry can mimic nature to reduce environmental impact and create more sustainable production system. Now that we know what a terrarium is, let's take a closer look at its two main types, open terrarium and closed terrarium. An open terrarium is a type of terrarium that does not have a lid or cover. This means it is exposed to the surrounding air, allowing better airflow and less humidity. Open terrarium are perfect for plants that prefer dry environment, such as succulents and cacti. These plants do not need much moisture, and the open design helps prevent excess humidity that could cause root. On the other hand, a closed terrarium is a sealed or semi-sealed, usually with a lid. This creates a humid and self-sustaining environment. Similar to a mini rainforest, the moisture from the soil and plants evaporates, then condenses on the walls of the container and falls back down like rain. This type is ideal for tropical plants like ferns, mosses, and phytonia, which love moisture and warmth.
Tools and material. To make a terrarium, we need the following tools and material. Point 1 is of the soil, point 2 red soil and coconut soil as planting media, point 3 sand to with drainage, point 4 moss to cover the top layer and retain moisture, point 5 rock for decoration and drainage support, point 6 a glass jar as the main container, point 7 terrarium plants as the greenery inside, and last point, and small creatures like millipedes and worms to support the mini ecosystem. Step by step. Here are the steps to create a terrarium. Step 1. Add gravel to small rock at the bottom of the jar for drain. Step 2. Add a layer of sand on top of the gravel. Step 3. Pour in a layer of regular soil. Step 4. Add a layer of red soil to enrich the nutrients. Step 5. Spray a little water to moisten the layer. Step 6. Press the moss gently on top of the soil. Step 7. Plant the main plants inside the jar. Step 8. Finally, add small creatures like millipedes, worm, or snail to complete the ecosystem.
Nobody knows like me.
Benefit of terrarium. The benefit of having a terrarium are it is aesthetic and can be used as home decoration. It is easy to maintain, requiring minimal care, and last it freshes up the room and makes the atmosphere livelier.
This material, we learned that a terrarium is a small ecosystem created inside a transparent container, usually made of glass, used to grow and display plants. We also learned that there are two main types of terrarium, open and closed. Open terrarium are suitable for dry plants like succulents and cacti because they allow air to flow freely and have low humidity. Meanwhile, closed terrarium are sealed and maintain high humidity, making them perfect for tropical plants like ferns and mosses. In addition to understanding the type, we also learned about the benefit of terrarium. They can be used as home or office decoration, as educational tools to study ecosystem and plants growth, and even as environmental support by helping to improve air quality and humidity indoors.
That's all from us. Thank you.